Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch rook and king on chess.com, which is actually called castle. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel. And here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as I said in the beginning of this story, would like to switch the king and the rook. So if you want to do that, let's just go to this learn option, click on analysis, and I'm going to show you how to castle or how to switch the rook and the king on king side and the queen side. So of course, if you want to do that, you would like to have no pieces between your king and the rook. And of course, you will like to have your king didn't move anywhere and your rook as well. So let's just free the king side here on the white and let's just free the queen side on the black. So of course, let's just make some several moves here and do this, just don't care here. Let's just do this, and do this. So of course, if you want to castle your king side, you'll have to click on your king. And as you can see, that is available move. And that is not an available move, but it shows that we can make it here on chess.com. So if we click on this second one, that will castle our king side. The same will happen to the black if I want to castle the queen side, which is a long castle. There are 3 squares, not just two squares as it was here, as you can see, just 2 squares. And here, 3 squares. So that means that's the queen side and that's the king side. So here we can castle and simply we can do the same. This is a viable move, this is a viable move, this is illegal, but we can do that as long as we didn't move our king and that was a rook, as you can see. And here we castle or we switch our king side and the queen side. So this will actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.